Hello everyone, I just want to give a quick review and demo of this compressed air duster. If you're one of those who is using canned air to clean your keyboards or your computers, I have found this to be an excellent replacement for that because you can keep using it over and over again and it is powerful.
So this is how it looks out of the box. Everything is pretty much set up and ready to go. All you have to do is charge the device using the USB cord. The air duster comes with a wind nozzle, a brush nozzle, the USB cable, and user manual. It typically takes just over 3 hours to fully charge, and then you can use it continuously for more than 35 minutes. Now, once this is on, the air blower is delivering 83,000 RPM. That's powerful. This has many uses. You can use it to clean keyboards, laptops, cameras, vents, windows, furniture, vehicles, and more. The cordless design allows me to get into normally difficult areas, and because it doesn't use liquid, I don't freeze my hands when using it. This has a clean air inlet on the back, which is best on the motor. Other sealed ones on the market tend to lose power and become clogged with dust. It's lightweight and provides my hands with a good grip, and it's compact enough to not take up much storage space.
Up to this point, I've used canned air to clean my vehicle, keyboards, and electronics, but never again. This air duster is so convenient and it saves me both time and money, and that's a win-win. Thanks for watching.